If you've ever opened your kitchen sink cabinet and had a bottle of dish soap fall on your foot or couldn't find the sponge because everything's a mess, this one's for you. We're breaking down 5 under-sink organizers with real specs and honest flaws. Links below. Subscribe if you're new. Here are the 5 under-sink organizers we're covering today. The 7 Blue 3-pack 2-tier under-sink organizer with sliding drawers, the G-Bomb under-sink organizer 2-pack double slide-out metal shelf, the Real-In under-sink organizer L-shaped 2-tier pull-out cabinet organizer, the Ptrack under-sink organizer adjustable height 2-tier pull-out, and the Kitsterack under-sink organizer 2-tier under-the-sink storage. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5 is the 7 Blue 3-pack 2-tier under-sink organizer with sliding drawers. This set includes 3 separate 2-tier organizers, each featuring smooth sliding drawers that fit under most standard kitchen sinks. Constructed from BPA-free plastic with a rust-resistant coating, the design focuses on maximizing vertical space while maintaining a small footprint. Each drawer glides out effortlessly on built-in tracks, so you can easily grab items stored at the very back without any hassle. The 3-pack value means you can use one under the kitchen sink, another in the bathroom, and keep a spare for future needs. On the downside, the plastic build isn't as heavy-duty as metal, so it's not ideal for storing large, heavy jugs. This organizer is perfect for budget-conscious shoppers looking for a simple, effective storage fix. Now number 4 is the G-Bomb under-sink organizer 2-pack double slide-out metal shelf. This set comes with 2 individual metal shelves, each featuring a double slide-out design. They're constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel and coated in black to resist rust, scratches, and daily wear. Each shelf can support up to 50 pounds, and the roller bearings ensure the slides operate smoothly without sticking. The full extension slides allow you to pull the shelf completely out, so nothing gets lost in the back corners. The coated finish not only looks sleek but also protects the metal from moisture damage. However, the shelves are not height adjustable, which may limit your ability to store taller items like large spray bottles. This is an excellent choice for anyone who prioritizes durability and long-term reliability. Wait until you see what number 3 brings. The Real-In under-sink organizer L-shaped 2-tier pull-out cabinet organizer. This unit is uniquely designed with an L shape to help you utilize the tricky corner space underneath your sink. It's made from high-quality ABS plastic with a chrome-like finish that resists moisture and adds a clean, modern look. The organizer features 2 tiers, with the bottom basket sliding out independently from the top tier. This design allows you to store items around plumbing pipes without wasting any valuable space. The sliding basket gives you quick access to cleaning sprays and sponges, while the top tier holds smaller items like scrub brushes and soap. The main drawback is its width. The L shape takes up more horizontal space, so it may not fit narrow cabinets. This option is ideal for homeowners with awkward cabinet layouts who want to make the most of every inch. Stay with me because number 2 adds something most people overlook. The Ptrack under-sink organizer adjustable height 2-tier pull-out. This organizer stands out because of its adjustable shelves. You can change the height of each tier to accommodate tall bottles, sprayers, or bulky containers. It's built from sturdy carbon steel with a black, scratch-resistant coating and features smooth rolling slides on each level. The adjustment mechanism is simple and tool-free, so you can customize it in seconds. Each shelf can hold up to 50 pounds, and the pull-out design ensures you can reach items stored deep in the cabinet. It's a versatile solution that adapts to your changing storage needs, whether you're storing large detergent jugs or tall oil bottles. The only real downside is that the adjustable mechanism can sometimes feel a bit stiff to operate. This is best for those who want complete flexibility and customization in their storage setup. Now for number 1, and I'll be straight with you, this one edges out the competition on one key feature that makes it the most practical choice for most people. The Kitsterack under-sink organizer 2-tier under-the-sink storage takes the top spot. This organizer offers a sleek, space-efficient design that fits comfortably under almost any kitchen sink. Built from high-quality carbon steel with a corrosion-resistant black coating, it's designed to withstand moisture and daily use. The 2-tier system includes a smooth ball-bearing sliding mechanism that glides quietly and effortlessly, even when both tiers are fully loaded with heavy bottles and cleaning supplies. Its compact footprint is engineered to fit around plumbing without sacrificing storage capacity. You'll be amazed how much you can fit. It also features a sturdy, stable base that prevents tipping. On the downside, assembly may take about 15 minutes, but the long-term benefit is well worth the effort. This is the go-to choice for anyone who wants a reliable, organized, and clutter-free sink cabinet without compromising on space or durability. All links are in the description below. If this helped you out, drop a comment and let me know which one you're leaning toward. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more honest kitchen reviews every week. See you next time.